everyone. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We're going to be making a flower wreath. Coach Tammy wants to make a flower wreath. Tammy's going to do all orange. She's going to do all orange, and we're going to show you how you can do either a black or a yellow center. Okay, so the unique and the creek board, I'm just going to load them. I'm going to load them from the back side, so the wording and stuff is on the inside. I'm going to load it from the back. So I'm just going to load them real super easy. We had the rest of it. I just want to be able to show you how the whole thing goes.
And if you use the small enough zip ties, the buckle goes right through the holes and it makes it really super quick.
Okay, so to make things easier, we're going to preload them. I mean get them ready.
Preload.
So there's 16 on the outside, and then each layer in is 8. It's going to be the easiest thing ever. So I used a wood burner and a tempered glass to cut them. I'm sure we have videos that are out there spreading all over the place where we've done them before live with y'all. All I'm going to do is take corner to corner.
Like a diaper.
And then
like a taco.
Squish all the way up. So it's real tiny, and you got a little piece here.
Go Grandma Tammy.
Like that?
Teeny tiny. And then I'm going to take it and put it in here, just like this, and pull.
Is that it?
Yep.
I can't cuss right.
Your face did already.
What?
Your face already cussed.
Corner to corner.
Cameras in the front.
What?
Cameras in the front and your face already cussed.
Oh. Okay.
See how easy?
Is this how you do the whole thing?
Yep.
We're just gonna say that you requested this. So
She did request. This is Tammy's request.
I'm a little floored that that's all there is to it.
That's it. Corner to corner. And squish it all in.
Yeah, well,
So
look at
look
how cattywampus that is.
Look, see how I'm like just pushing it all? So it all stays real tiny in there.
Well, we got some nature going on. That one's cattywampus, and I'm not changing it. Flowers aren't perfect, people. Neither am I. Okay.
what size were the leaves?
They're cut in 10 inches, so 10 by 10. And at this moment, I'm really hoping I counted correctly when I cut them.
Oh my word.
You have enough.
Oh good, that's all that matters.
Yeah.
Ah! So do you do them tight now? You can do them
Super tight, all the way tight. Super
like
tight.
you've had your Wheaties. Okay.
Like you've had your Wheaties.
Man, this could go really quickly if you did it in patchwork.
This could go really quickly when Mel cuts all your mesh for you.
Hey, man.
So we are using poly burlap mesh. Poly burlap mesh is the best for the flowers, and it frays really quick. That's why I use the wood burner, and you see I'm being really gentle with it.
Okay, so Mel, when you cut this, how you cut it 10 by 10?
10 by 10. So it's not precisely 10 by 10. Listen, I might start at 10 inches at the top, and by the time I follow that line all the way down, it might be at like 9 1/4. Like, it's okay. So the material, so mine's just black and white, and hers is brown, orange and white. But we're doing the exact same method. You're gonna snip those off, all of them, every single one.
Oh, you do it now?
Yeah. Just on the ones you did.
Right. Oh gosh. Could you imagine, folks, realizing you'd cut all the ones you haven't put in yet? Holy moly guacamole.
So I'm gonna go with a different color.
But I would do this in a heartbeat.
Yeah, because it's easy.
Yes.
So I'm gonna come in next with a solid. So this is also poly burlap mesh.
Made little fires.
Yeah.
Oh,
the
mercy,
wood burner
no.
was so easy. Is so easy. And
it
quick.
kind of was really therapeutic to sit and watch her do it.
Yeah.
So I thought this is what I would do Like if you had a teenager, this is just me. If I had a teenager that was really acting a fool, I would be like, let's wood burn. And they would just sit there and just calm down because it would calm them down. You know, sit there and just do something repetitively like that for an hour.
So these sell, I personally sell this exact size for 97 or 98. You can get the boards from decoexchange.com. Okay, so here's mine.
Let me see. I love it.
If you were in the expand your creativity challenge, you know that there's a ton of different ways to make your centers. We made a couple over the last couple days. That's also cute.
Yes. But look how sparkly these are.
So, do you remember what size balls these were?
I thought they were the
You
sevens.
can measure it right.
Yeah, but they're
Measure it.
I think they were the 7 ones. No, that's
they're about 6. They're about 4 inches.
Yeah.
yeah, the 4 inch
Four.
balls, but
So 4 inch something, because they're a little wider because of the glitter rope. Hey, that looks like a
candy corn.
Yes.
I love it. Leave it. I love it. Leave it.
Because I was gonna put the black and I was gonna have the yellow with you.
I would do the yellow.
I like them both. I'm gonna take them pictures with both. But look at how love it.
I like that a lot.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our U-pins.
New rain.
I'm just gonna take
Another
a U-pin,
Wait, she doesn't have a single one posted on Facebook? Or...
put a little bit of glue on that end
Don't wait.
and the other end. So we've been, I told you we were playing with Mod Podge, we were playing with paint. Okay, so this one we're not going to use. I'm going to set it aside. Okay, so you're just going to take that center,
Okay.
and it's, so you're going to, I lift it up towards me, but you're going to put it in, you want to put it in like, put it one in that hole and then one in a hole across from it. So there and there, or whichever, but just put them across. Ooh, that hurt. Ooh, that
Put them
hurt.
cattywampus from each other.
Just put them into those holes that are already.
You're welcome. I've got a. Wait. Turn it back over. Oh my gosh.
So once I have it like this, then I just take and cut off most of that and kind of push this into the side. And then while it's upside down, so we should have done this first. I should have done this first, my fault. So while it's upside down, I'm gonna take,
Make a hanger.
yep, but I'm gonna make sure that I'm gonna pull it in on this side, pull it in on this side, and then twist it so that the twist part is gonna end up stuck underneath here and hidden. Wonderful. It's wonderful.
Okay. I'm excited. I'm gonna do more of these.